Welcome back everybody. Today you are locked in with myself, Reese, and Dylan behind the camera. We are in the R44 wrap and detailing bay with a new box of Inozetek material. Shocking. So we've done two of the new colors. This is another new color going on the M240i. This is our shop car. I'm a bit speechless because I'm sad to see the purple go. Where should we start really? So it was kind of the backstory of wrapping it. We were going to PPF just the front end and do a really cool video and then keep the purple, but we found that the purple is becoming a really popular color, which obviously you can see why. It is beautiful, but for us in particular, it's great to stand out. We need to be unique. So we thought, let's do something that we've been wanting to do on all of our cars multiple times. We keep thinking, oh, should we do it? And then we think, no, we won't do it on this one, but this one's gonna have it. It's gonna be a really cool look. So we'll have a look. Should we go straight into it? So yeah, this is Inozetek's newest color. I think it came out from Greg, I'm pretty sure, over at Inozetek US. He put it on his Porsche. So let's have a look. I haven't seen the color before in person. It's a bit dusty because it's been Tev's have already been on it. So let's have a look. I'm going to drop this down. Look at that. Get my t-shirt, don't worry, it's on the top film. What do you think? It's called Era Green. It's kind of like a British racing green. I don't know, a bit more, I don't know, it's a weird color, but I think it's gonna suit this car really well. So what we're gonna do is the classic green and bronze combo. So we're gonna do the Inozetek wrap, covering everywhere. We're gonna do the door shuts. We're gonna do just a normal finish that we would expect to see on anybody customer's car, our cars, anything. We're gonna do bronze wheels, so Lamborghini bronze wheels over at Cure 13, the guys that do all our wheels. We're gonna do the calipers as well in the same green. Is our plan. We're just going to do some small details to make this car look special. We're probably going to keep it wrapped for a long time. It's not going to be one of those ones where we wrap it for a couple months and take it off. We want to make it one color, make it stand out, and then we have that for a while. So yeah, this is Inozetek's newest color. It's really hard to see as always on the roll, but when it gets on the car, it's going to be that. So yeah, just to walk through what we're going to do. So we've done a decontamination. We didn't do the best thing yesterday. We went on a track day at Donington, spent 90% of the time out on track between red flags and absolutely hammered the wheels. So there's no brakes, the tires are pretty much got 30% left. But we had a really good day and we learned a lot about the car. We also got a lot of stone chips, which was great. And the car was just absolutely smothered in bugs, tires and everything. So we've done a good job. The detailing guys here have detailed it, decontaminated it. Tev started going over, drying it off. We start by stripping all of the little trims all along here because it is really important that when we're wrapping this area, if we can get down there and tuck it in tight, put the trim in, you'll never know it's purple. So we take all of those off. Tev's gone around, taking all the door trims off, all the way around, which so far has been looking quite cool. Again, we'll just tuck it up to that point, pop that trim back on, and you will never know it's purple. The door handles, we might be able to just bring those out like that, wrap them, and then drop them back in. So we're gonna learn, because it's a new door handle design we haven't seen on a BMW before. These are gonna be quite tricky as well. We're not sure how they're fixed. And ideally we take them off, tuck the vinyl underneath, put them back on. So it's a learning curve, as always with a new car, but it's great to be able to kind of chill out, kind of learn the car. We're taking the spoiler off already, so that's off. The badges come off. Obviously the plate comes off. Parts start going through there. Yeah, so we're just going to do things. We've got some other details along here. We've always wanted to know what these look like in body color, so we might wrap all of them. We might wrap along this line, across there, or we might just leave them. So we're going to try 3 different looks, see what we think's best, and go from there. We'll probably change, maybe wrap those. Put like a black film on them, or tint. Side seals as well. Again, item on this car that we think once we body color it, the car's going to look lower. At the minute it looks quite high because of the transition between the two colors. We're going to wrap it green. If we don't like it, we can go back. So which is really nice with wrap. You can experiment massively. The lights, we're going to PPF the lights. We might do a black roof, potentially. We're going to play around. We are really going to play around with these things. These things here, you can see, well, we'll drop some content. I've got all these gloss black bits here, here, and down there. I've just been scratched up just from easy washes, really, because unfortunately this car went to a few hand car washes before. Never go to a hand car wash, go to a detailer that knows what they're doing. So we're going to PPF all the piano black, so this way the car's coated and ready, or protected. And then we're going to go to our detailing partner Limitless, where we're doing all our ceramic coating at the minute because they've got loads of space. So yeah, just going to go for a full ceramic coating on the outside of the car, the wheels, the glass, the interior, protect everything. We'll PPF these as well because we won't be wrapping them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just excited to do this. This color is been one that we will want to do. We've got obviously the snow blue. We've done Jake, another one of our wrappers, in Ruby Star. We've got a satin khaki green Fiesta ST, which is a really nice green as well. And then the G80 is going to be wrapped soon as well, but we're not sure what color. So we'll see what we're going to do, but let's get going on this. Enjoy. Welcome back. The car is finished, the wheels are on. So let's walk you through what we've done. So first of all, it's wrapped in a Inozetek Era Green, new release color from SEMA Show. Shout out to Greg at Inozetek. Believe this was like inspired by him. So I'm blown away with how it looks. So let's go with one of the main things. These are the new wheels. So shout out to alloywheels.co.uk. They supplied us these wheels. We've then had them powder coated at Cure 13 in a Lamborghini bronze. Quick one, little disclaimer, this car has been to the Nürburgring in between these videos, so apologies about the dirt if you see any. But yeah, so these have been powder coated in Lamborghini bronze, just looks amazing. We then paired them up with a small spacer just to get the fitment how we want it, wrapped in the stock PS4Ss, so we're utilising the same tyres. These are on their last legs anyways. But yeah, so if you want these, we now retail these as well for the 240. Fitment's really good. Drives really nice, and they're good quality alloy. We've done about 1,000 miles on them, including a track day, and really good. So going on from there, we've also upgraded the brakes since, but that's all underneath there. Come around the front, we've got like a V1 style kind of front lip on there. So this is our development. So again, straight after this video, we're back into a design meeting, working on the actual kit that's being released. So we've got that on the front lip. We've done a cool little detail here with the Inozetek wrap. Just getting rid of the grills and separating them. I think it looks really clean. So the front lip, we've got the windows tinted, 20% tint, just really kind of goes with the look. You'll see this is now wrapped in Era Green as well. Got black badges on the side, which tie in really nice with the black and green and bronze look. Full length side skirts, so these are a bit of a V1 prototype, full length side skirt. Body colored side seals, which look really good. Obviously wrapped the extra width part of the car in Era Green. Again, alloys, bronze, looking fire. Come around to the back. This is probably my favorite detail, is the body colored rear section. It was hard around the Inozetek is a hard material to wrap with, and this detail in particular is quite difficult. So we might rewrap that and have a look, but it looks clean. Coming onto the rear, we're running no spoiler, so we're going for like a kind of OEM plus look on the car at the minute, which looks, I think, really clean. We've got the 240i badge in black and X-Drive in badge. The X-Drive is coming to the website very soon. It's obviously dropped on the Motec springs, stance springs at the minute, which ran really well on the ring. 1,000 miles on the road. We've probably done, well, the car's, I think, on about 3,000 miles. So pretty good going, 3,000 miles on the car, and I think it was dropped at maybe 200 miles. So we've had really good use of the Motec springs, and so far, perfect OEM ride quality. We'll be switching over to a new suspension, but check out for that video in the near future as we kind of develop the car for fast road and track use. Sun strip on there, nothing else. Interior is going to be touched in future videos. But yeah, that is the new look, and so far I'm loving it. People are going to say, why did you change the purple? And for us, the two reasons are, one, it's becoming a popular color. As a business, we need to stand out and we need to make our mark in the car. And two, This look is something that we've always wanted to do across any of our cars, and for Zach, it's something that's been like a holy grail look for him. So we thought, why not let's do it from the beginning and then run the color for the near future. We probably won't be changing it. And yeah, so that's pretty much all. Look in the description, we both got loads of new products for this car. So in the description, you'll find all the M Performance parts. So these are the performance styles by MHC. So very good quality pre-preg carbon by MHC in the same style as the M Performance. So that's the front lip, the side winglets, rear diffuser and the spoiler. So they're being shipped to the minute, but they're selling out quick. And keep an eye for all future videos of us working on development on these cars. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anything else, Dylan, that you think? Black roof. Different. So we didn't go for a green, we went for a black vinyl, gloss vinyl on the roof and the little trim pieces here. I think ties it in, it's not too much green, and it just does a good contrast to the green and black. Obviously with the tenor fin as well, we'll probably drop a carbon one on there very soon. Yeah, other than that, the car is looking good, it's driving great, and yeah, we're gonna leave it there. As always, like, subscribe, enjoy the B-roll, get in the comments on our Insta and let us know what you think about this car.